Is your lymphatic system backed up? I'm Dr. Gigi, and this is your 1% Better tip of the day. So what does the lymphatic system do? Well, it supports your circulatory system and your immune system. It's basically your built-in sanitation center. So it takes the fluid, the extra fluid that's outside your tissue, and it takes it, cleans it out, removes all the waste and the byproducts that are, from all the metabolites that are made in your cells, and then it puts back that fluid. Once it's clean, it puts it back into your blood system. So that's important that it's not stagnant and doesn't back up. Because it doesn't have a pump of its own like the circulatory system has the heart, the only way that it is able to return back into the blood system is through your skeletal muscles and your smooth muscles. But the skeletal muscles are where we're going to focus because that's something that we can actually help out with. So the place where the fluid, the lymph, returns into the blood is actually behind your clavicles and into these ducts that are behind in this area. So even down from your legs, that lymph has to travel all this way and come into this area to be put back into your blood system. So how can we help that? First of all, big thing is you need to move around. When your muscles are contracting, that will help the lymph vessels to move the lymph slowly up. So you want to be moving, you want to do some kind of exercise, but any kind of contraction of the muscles will help with that. Another thing you can do is massage. You can do dry brush massage, which is getting a brush and you do circular motions for 10 minutes, about 10 minutes, and you move up towards those ducts into this area. You can also do hot and cold showers. That will help to contract and relax those vessels. So you want to start always with hot and then end with cold, and it just needs to be about 90 seconds of hot water and then go into 90 seconds of cold water. You should be careful if you're pregnant or have a heart issue, conditions like that. You should not do this kind of technique. But other than that, you can use this to help with that. With the lymph moving up. Some signs that can show you that you might have a stagnated lymphatic system is if you're having headaches, if you're having brain fog, if you're having swollen ankles. Things like that show us that there might be something underlying with your lymphatic system. So check these out, try them, and see how they work for you.